everyone. Welcome to Digital Neurons, your go-to channel for everything tech and beyond. If you're passionate about coding, AI, data science, web development, digital marketing, freelancing, and soft skills, you're in the right place. Who we are. At Digital Neurons, we believe in learning, innovation, and growth. Our mission is to break down complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand concepts so that anyone, whether a beginner or a professional, can learn and apply them in real life. What will you learn? 1. Programming and logic building. Programming is the foundation of the tech world. Here at Digital Neurons, we'll teach you the fundamentals of coding, covering languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++. You'll also learn problem-solving techniques, data structures, and algorithms, essential skills for software development, competitive programming, and technical interviews. Our hands-on approach will ensure you can write clean, efficient, and scalable code. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world, and we want you to be part of it. In this section, we'll explore machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, deep learning, neural networks, CNNs, RNNs, and LSTMs, AI applications, chatbots, computer vision, and natural language processing, NLP. Hands-on projects, implement AI models using TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. If you want to build intelligent applications, this section is for you. 3. Data science and data analysis. Data is the new oil. Every company relies on data to make decisions. We'll teach you data collection, web scraping, APIs, and databases, data cleaning and processing, pandas, NumPy data visualization, matplotlib, Seaborn, Power BI big data, concepts Hadoop, Spark. By the end of this section, you'll be able to analyze trends, build dashboards, and extract meaningful insights from raw data. 4. Web development. Do you want to build websites and web apps? Whether you're a beginner or an advanced developer, we've got you covered. Learn front-end development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Next.js, back-end development, Node.js, Express.js, Django, Flask databases, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Firebase full-stack development, integrating front-end and back-end for seamless experiences. Our goal is to help you build modern, responsive, and high-performing web applications. 5. Digital marketing. In today's digital world, technical skills aren't enough. You need to market your skills and projects effectively. Learn SEO, search engine optimization, Google Ads and Facebook ads, content marketing and social media strategies, email marketing and affiliate marketing. With these skills, you can grow your personal brand, increase traffic to websites, and generate online revenue. 6. Freelancing. Want to earn money online? Freelancing is one of the best ways to start your career. We'll guide you through freelancing platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal Profile, optimization, creating a professional and attractive portfolio, finding clients, strategies to land high-paying projects, pricing and negotiation, how to set rates and handle clients professionally. Whether you want to work part-time or build a full-time freelancing career, this section will help you succeed. 7. Soft skills for success. Technical expertise is crucial, but soft skills make you stand out. We'll teach you public speaking and communication skills, time management and productivity hacks, leadership and team collaboration, emotional intelligence and problem solving. Mastering these skills will help you excel in job interviews, work environments, and personal development. Join the Digital Neurons community. If you're excited about learning and growing, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.